And this is our view this morning. Such a beautiful morning.
No rain in sight.
No rain in sight. Beckham, how was breakfast?
He's
Was the watermelon really good?
Watermelon juice. Covered in watermelon.
He enjoyed it.
Yeah, you see all those cars? Levi's checking out the map.
Yeah.
Making sure we're headed to the Acropolis.
Yeah, that's obviously it.
So we're doing good. Yay! Here we are at the bottom of Acropolis. Got a long walk up to get to the top. Ooh. That is pretty neat that they still do concerts and stuff there. Like, they're utilizing it, and it's architectural beauty. So cool. We're like halfway up, y'all. It's so hard for bad for Levi. Poor Beckham, he's doing so good though.
Yeah, he is.
Ooh. We're almost to the top. Look at that. Like, that city is just packed. Wow.
So awesome.
Okay. Woo. On the marble steps right now. All right. We're at the top. There's the, what's it called? Parthenon. So what was it about?
No idea. Too distracted.
I know, Beckham's refusing to now wear his hat, and he just busted out screaming, and it's just so hot. Look at the city. I mean, look at that. Just houses everywhere and buildings.
That's wild.
Do you need some water? Water?
Yeah,
Want some water? Okay, let's take a water break. Woo.
You know, the cats here are really well fed. Look at this cat.
He's so sleepy. Go to sleep, baby. It's okay. Lay your head down. Lay your head down.
Around.
Babe, he's getting sleepy. He was bobbing his head again.
Really? Maybe we should find him a shirt and then we can choose his pillow.
Maybe. Yeah. He's finally starting to go to sleep. Poor thing. This is so cute in here. I can't get enough of it. Reminds me a little bit of St. Augustine.
Yeah.
St. Augustine, Florida. Little shops and the road. So cute. Love it. Yeah. He's trying to get comfortable, poor baby. We are at some Roman Agora. Some ruins. Are you ready to eat? They definitely don't hold back on their portion sizes.
He's eating meat.
Are you gonna eat the meat? Ooh, is that pork good? Oh, give me more. Give me more pork.
Can't have that in bar. Look at his feet up.
Alright, we are leaving this cute establishment. Beckham is so excited to be out of the backpack, fed. He had his little power nap. And he's wanting to run free, and we won't let him. He might end up going back in the backpack pretty soon. Ah, it has a nice breeze. Do you feel that, babe? You feel the breeze?
I can't. It feels great.
A bird? Wow. Woo! I don't think he wants you to touch him, Beckham. Watch your step. Ooh, whoa. See, he doesn't want you touching him.
Okay, let's go.
He went bye-bye. Wow.
Go this way.
Come on, Beckham. This way. Now we're at ancient Agora, another ruin area. Come on, baby. What are you doing, silly? Beckham, get off the floor. You're so silly. He is leading the tour. Just cannot let him touch the statues. Don't touch. Nope, we don't touch. We just look. We just look, okay? We don't touch. Yeah. Isn't that neat? Wow. Oh yeah, just beautiful view. Beautiful. Seems like the weather's cooled down a little bit and the wind has picked up, so it's just nice and relaxing. And of course, my contacts are messing up, so I had to just take them out. Looks like LASIK is definitely on the horizon. I just can't keep doing this, living like this. My contacts just messing up about halfway through the day. It's so annoying. Can't take it anymore. Burn that energy, son. Woo. Okay, it's 3 o'clock. Time for some yummy treats. Woo. Woo. So cute. This is such a cute store. Gosh, they have candy and chocolate and ice cream. Beckham, you want some ice cream? Yeah? We'll have to get him a little cup of something. You want yours? Okay. You took it right off the top. Texas!
What's your name?
We are headed back to our hotel. It's 3:30. We need to kind of take a break, regroup, and then go back out later. We're both exhausted. Beckham has been such a trooper. He only took a little cat nap in the carrier, but he's doing good. You're doing good. He didn't take a nap the entire time we were resting. Daddy did. Daddy got about an hour. It didn't feel like a good solid hour because this little kid.
We hit the face with some stuff. I don't even remember what he hit me with.
You drew the face with stuff.
Yeah.
I'm so surprised. I tried watching him, but then I started getting ready. Anyways, we're just gonna go back to the area where we were earlier, and we found a really cute little quaint restaurant, nothing fancy, just to have a nice dinner. We're afraid it's gonna start raining, so we're trying to get out of here quick. At least get to our destination before the rain comes like it was yesterday. Come here, Beckham. Come on. Come on. Woo! Yeah, it's pretty steep. It's pretty steep. Okay, wait, this is it, right? This is the restaurant. Okay. All right, well, let's ask about getting a table. Yay! That walk was so short. It was like less than 10 minutes. Let's go. Oh, yeah. That's what Beckham has his eye on. What do you see? Whoa. Yeah, isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. I'm stuffed. Beckham! He's over there dancing in the rain. What are you doing? Get over here, bud. Woo! Mommy just bought you a fish umbrella.
Show it to him.
Because it's raining. Here. Here, you open it.
Here, ready?
Look at that. He wants to hold.
Fish.
Fish. Can you dance? Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance.
Hey, you gotta put it over your head.
Put it over
Hold
your
it
head.
up. Hold it up. Hold the umbrella above your head. There you go. Oh, too far.
It's a little big for him, but it works.
Oh, say sorry. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. He's like, I'm headed out.
Beckham.
Having to take precautions here. Daddy's got Beckham. It's a quiet car. Okay, now you can come back out.
You have to hold it over your head. Hold it
It's
up.
so crazy. It's like these aren't. It's like these aren't streets, but they can still drive here. I don't know. It's weird. Oh, it's coming down hard now. Do you feel it? Beckham is distracting the fish. Okay, we are in a fish foot scrubbery. I don't know what you call this. Oh my gosh. This is so creepy. Oh my gosh. Here, babe. It's recording. Oh my gosh. The fish is on Mommy's feet. Don't let him come touch it, but.
Can you see the fish? She's on Mama's feet. See the fish? I know.
What?
Water.
Okay, Dr. Fish, foot therapy. That was interesting, to say the least, but not bad. Not what I thought it was. I mean, I don't even know what I thought it was going to be, but it tickled. It kind of felt like small little jets in a pool or something, like little bitty jets, just, and it was them eating the dead skin off my feet. So yeah, I just got a pedicure. Beckham got a flower.
What are you looking at?
Where are you going?
Wait.
Come on, Beckham.
Let's go.
Let's go bye-bye. Come on, baby. This woman in the street was giving out flowers, and I knew she wanted money, so I was like, no, that's fine. She just kept insisting and gave me one, then gave one to Beckham. Then tore one off, put one in my hair, and I'm like, no, that's fine, thank you, you don't have, I mean, it was like really forced. And I was like, well, thank you so much, you know, really, it's okay. And then as soon as we start walking away, oh, €1, talking about how she's pregnant, has a baby, and I'm like, and there it is. You never are guaranteed anything just for free out here. So, learned my lesson, leave. I was like, yeah, don't take anything. But I wasn't about to make Beckham give his flower back. He started crying, so I let him keep it. Let him keep his little flower. What is happening here? What is happening here? What in the world?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
What is happening? Oh my gosh. Literally blocking the entire walkway. I know. I was like, I really thought something was up. Like, what's going on? Like, there's a crowd. No, they're just standing in the middle of the walkway, the road here. Anyways. Okay. Oh, looky. Oh, you didn't give Mama the flower? Oh.
Thank you. Oh.
Thank you. Mwah.
Okay, come on.
This is the one she had put in my hair. Woo! We are back home. And what time is it? Like almost 8:30? Probably coming up on 8:30. The sun is still slightly up. But we're home. We're going to get ready for bed. Another rainy night. But that's okay. Oh, that lady giving out those flowers irritated me so much. Because then, like I was saying, she took it away from Beckham because we weren't going to pay her any money. And then he started crying. So I was like, here, Beckham, you can have the one in my hair. I was so mad. Like, you can make me angry. Don't make my son angry. Right.
Say, Mom, I wasn't angry. I was upset. I wanted the flower. Daddy took it away from me to give it back. Daddy knew exactly what she was doing.
I know. Little con artist. Man, I mean, I like knew what she was doing. I really did, but I still was like, okay, hey, if you're gonna say they're free and give them out, I'll take them.
She was very insistent.
Yeah, and then she's talking about how I'm pregnant. Well, then we meet some Canadian guy down the way, and he starts telling us the same story that was happening to them down the street from 2 other different ladies. He's like, so I guess everyone's pregnant giving out flowers. Anyways, lesson learned. We're gonna say goodnight. Toodles. Can you say toodles? Daddy.
I can't top that.
Toodles.
Doodles.